YouTube. What up? It's your boy,
Wavy Crockett.
We live. What did he say? He said, why you shea, bro? Anyway, we live. We're gonna do another brush session. And I'm gonna do a washing style right now. I'm using the hardest Torino brush. Yeah. I thought you don't use curve brush. I don't use curve brushes like that. I don't. I don't be brushing every day. He said I'm brushing every day, but it's winter time. I'll be riding in the sleigh, deliver gifts on time. My fault, y'all. I don't know what's wrong with this YouTube live connection. But yeah, we just putting the shampoo in right now. I can see the waves coming in nice after this scalp. Huh? No, you can't have a cookie. Why you always want to come in the bathroom when I'm recording the video? No, you can't have a cookie. Don't ask again. Because I said so. Alright, let's see. Shea, why are you blocking people? I'm about to take your moderator privileges.